Hey guys, I'm going to show you a tutorial on how to put the Rubik's Cube back together when you destroy it. And I'm talking about this speed cube. First of all, you gotta find these pieces. They're called edge pieces. Separate them from these pieces, which are corner pieces. Just put them in different places. This is what I like to do to make it easier to find the pieces. See? So we got all these pieces. Just move it out this way. As you can see, first of all, set your Rubik's Cube down for the white piece. Just like that. And grab these pieces with the white on them. Like any color and then white. So, first of all, you have to match this color to this. Face this white piece down and then just try to slide it in. And then I like doing it 180 degrees on the other side instead of 90 degrees on one side to make it easier. And then I just slide that in. 2 edge pieces. Next, right here. 3 edge pieces, and then the 4th. There you go. So we got 4 of these right here. Oh wait, this one's put wrong. It's easy to fix. You just pull that out. Don't do this to solve a cube, like when it's mixed up and you don't know how to solve it. So next, find the corner pieces that have white on them, and look at the color and face the white down, and just slide them in from the top. Okay. So now we got first layer done. Then we need to find the edge pieces with only these colors on them, like the colors that are not yellow with them. And then you grab it, match it to this, just slide it in from the top. This part is pretty easy since it's the second layer. So now we got 2 layers done, and this part is pretty easy. You have these 3 pieces, and this part you just have to match it to this corner where one of these gaps is. Face this up, and just use the gap to slide it in. Match it to that, and then you grab an edge piece that matches that. Just slide it in, and you just repeat this pattern. So slide it diagonal and put this in. And we got 4 pieces. 5. Now we got these last 3 pieces. What you need to do is put these edge pieces in. And so you get this. Then turn it diagonal just a bit. And put this last edge piece right in. You got it. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.